In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add links to your YouTube channel. So first of all, what I will do is I will head over to my channel. Once I click on my channel, as you can see, this is what you will get once you add a link to your channel. So this could be your Instagram, your Facebook, your website, a second YouTube channel, anything that you like. And what you can do is enter a link and it will be displayed right here on your channel banner. So the first thing you will need to do is come to the top right hand corner to your profile picture. Once you click on your profile picture, you can then select YouTube Studio. Once you select YouTube Studio, you will be redirected obviously over to your studio page. Once you are on here, what you can do is simply come to the left hand side bar here and scroll down until you find customization. Click on customization and then you will be redirected to this page. And as you can see under channel customization at the top, there is 3 options here, and the one we need in today's video is basic info. Click on basic info, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see an option for links, which is right here in the middle of the page. And as you can see, this is where my second channel link is linked. So all you need to do, if you haven't got one, there will be a spare box here that you can go ahead and use. If not, you can click on add link for a second link. You can enter in whatever name, so whatever name you enter, it will be named that. So you could put tutorial for this example here. And what you would see is it would be called tutorial, like the second channel on my banner. And then all you simply need to do is enter in your link there. Once you have entered in your link, what that will do is it will allow you to click on publish in the top right hand corner of your screen. Once you click on publish, as you can see, it will be like it would be on here. So if I just leave this, obviously it would look like it would on my channel. So it would look like that on your channel. So it's just as simple, guys. That's how easy it is to add a link to your YouTube channel. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.